All right, folks, here it is. The applause UAE-148-4. You did it again. Found a uke. This one is going out to a friend of ours. Look at this thing. Brand new almost, like new old stock with the original paperwork in the original box. It might have the original strings on here. Untouched. Only thing is it's missing this knob right there on the bass, whatever you call that. They said that that might be like a known issue where somehow that got lost. But this thing is cherry. I'm gonna play it with these settings real quick. I'll do it acoustically, which it's not made for. It sounds okay, but when you plug this in, you can see why Aldrine wanted this thing. So I got my bass a little bit up, my mid and treble just right at the middle. That's pushed in, that's pushed in, and that's pressed out. They changed the tone a little bit. I'm running it through my AER Compact 60 with levels settings as such, all straight up and down. And then we'll get the gain up just a little bit there. First, acoustic. I just realized I should have my mic, but it's alright. That's strumming loud and hard. I don't think it's really meant to be an acoustic instrument. Okay, now to the good stuff. I'm gonna turn the gain up to like 1/4. Really cool thing is being able to adjust these things on the fly. Up my bass, up my mids, up my treble. Press a couple buttons. That's the pre-shape. Shift in, mid shift out. have it.